Hey everybody, my name is Vinny. You're watching Dirty Offroad News. On top of today's news, Jeep has just released that they're going to be coming out with the Scrambler for 2027. Now, what does it look like? We don't know. They haven't unveiled it. What do you guys think? What do you think the new Scrambler is going to look like? Is it going to be a two-door pickup truck? We already have a four-door pickup truck, so I don't know where the other options could be. What do you guys think? Comment down below. As Jeep continues to add to its color schemes, you can now add Earl Gray when building your Jeep on all models, not just on the Moab, Rubicon, or Willys model. You can add it on all models. Pretty exciting. I'm a big fan of that color. To me, it's the closest color to Nardo Gray, which I'm a fan of. Some bad news for you Jeep Cherokee owners. There's a recall from 2019 to 2023 on 61,000 models saying that the Jeep could randomly roll away when parked, or while on the highway, or just driving in general, it could shut off on you. Yeah, that would suck. So make sure you jump on the website, put in your VIN number, find out if your vehicle's up for recall. And again, that's 2019 to 2023 Jeep Cherokees. For the last of the news, and probably the best part, Jeep Gladiator V8 392 model with 470 foot-pounds of torque and 470 horsepower. It's offered in the Willys, the Rubicon, and the Moab model. It would be great if it was offered on all platforms, but to have a V8 is going to be pretty exciting. Maybe we'll get one here on the channel. We'll find out. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Is a V8 Gladiator in your future? Thanks for watching. Hope you tune in again and have a great week.